Good morning, everybody. We are leaving our stay in Bukhangang, heading back to the main Four Rivers path, which will be an all-day ride. It is 8 o'clock now. The weather is looking very ominous. Hopefully it doesn't turn into rain. Needs to stop at this certification box because we did it on the way up. One thing we have not seen much of yet, we haven't seen any deer, we haven't seen any squirrels or foxes, seen plenty of birds. Here's some zen happening here, look at this. Rock. What do you call it? One thing about Korea, nothing much opens before 10 o'clock. There is farming, agricultural vegetables everywhere you look. There's somebody growing a little paddock of spring onions or something.
Starting to rain a bit heavier now. Looks like we're getting some shelter.
I'm going to get my raincoat out for when it really comes down.
Okay. I'm just pulled up here for a bit because
to get cold.
It's really the rain's getting heavier.
You see quite a few new cherry blossom trees being planted, and yes, the Koreans can be very proud of. Joy, cheer me up. I don't think I got that right. The Koreans can be very proud of their bicycle path. I think it's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. For what we've seen so far, anyway. Is this very elaborate sculptured bridge of a guitar. We thought that sign might have told us about the bridge, but it tells us all of the do's and don'ts for the locals not to forage in the forest, because the forest belongs to a private owner of some kind. We have seen along the trail, right from Seoul all the way through to the countryside, people foraging on the side of the roads for some sort of roots and herbs and things. But they obviously are not allowed to do it up in the bush. But it still didn't explain what this lovely statue or sculpture bridge is all about. Maybe it's just got to do with that fancy house over there. Anyway, creativity is a joy. Okay, so we've got back to the main trail, cross-country river trail, and we are just about to keep on heading south. The rain has stopped at the moment. It's been raining for almost 3 hours. We are soaking wet, and we will be looking for somewhere warm to eat and stay.
We're here, I forget, just past the town where we just had a hot drink. As soon as we stop we get really cold, but we're going to press on about another 20 kilometers or so and see if we can find somewhere to stay, because there'll be no camping tonight because it's just been pouring rain the last 40 kilometers or so. Sorry, the last 25 kilometers. So yeah, keep going.